women around the world applying baking soda under their eyes. Did you know that your kidneys and pancreas actually create sodium bicarbonate substance? Well, our kidneys and pancreas create this substance in order to control the acidity of our blood, because acidic blood is the main cause and reason for chronic inflammation and disease. Sodium bicarbonate is produced by our bodies to neutralize excess acids produced by the digestive system and respiratory system. People use this extremely useful ingredient for everything, as a polishing agent, deodorizing agent, and for cleaning purposes. Baking soda is the perfect alternative for many harsh and toxic cleaning products, and the best of all is that baking soda always provides excellent results. People also use this amazing ingredient to make homemade cosmetic and beauty products, teeth whiteners, all natural deodorants, etc. And as we mentioned before, this baking soda is also very effective and beneficial in treating acne. The most common reason for skin breakouts and acne appearance is the pH imbalance, so you can use baking soda to reduce the pH balance and to prevent skin problems like acne. We are going to show you how to make the most powerful and most effective homemade facial cream, which will help you get rid of the dark circles under your eyes. All you need is 2 ingredients, which you probably already have in your kitchen cabinet: chamomile tea and baking soda. This homemade recipe is very simple and easy to make. You just have to follow the simple instructions. Baking soda is also a natural exfoliate which promotes blood flow as you gently massage it into your skin. Exfoliating also promotes skin cells. Here's what you need to do. You will need the following ingredients: a cup of chamomile tea, 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Directions: here's what you need to do. First, you need to mix the ingredients mentioned above until they form a paste. Then you need to soak cotton pads in the mixture and place them under the eyes. After that, you need to gently massage for 2 to 5 minutes and leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes. Rinse with cold water and pat your face dry with a clean towel. Note, you can follow up with coconut oil or your favourite moisturiser. You can also reduce puffiness by leaving a spoon in your freezer overnight and applying it under your eyes in the morning, leaving it on until it becomes warm. We all know that the dark circles can be caused by fatigue and dehydration. Always make sure to get a good night's sleep and drink plenty of water to keep your skin looking healthy.